Project SatURN is all about beyond visual line of sight drone navigation and data transfer. We see 80% of future drone applications in the BVLOS space. One key use case is offshore wind turbine inspections. SatURN helps us work towards end-to-end autonomy in this space and further cementing the commercial potential. For this purpose, in order to investigate possible remote drone operations from a distant control center, typically onshore, we have integrated a prototype LEO satellite module from Atmosphere, the French project partner, into AIRBORNE Robotics AIR8 Medium Lifter Drone. This allows us to reliably operate a drone when direct radio link is not sufficient. We have successfully conducted test flights with this setup throughout the project at our approved BVLOS test track in Austria. Latency was measured at about 500 milliseconds with a data rate of up to 22 kilobits per second.